Google Dorks or Google hacking are specialized search queries that utilize advanced operators to pinpoint specific information on the web. These operators allow users to narrow down their searches and find hidden data that may not be accessible through regular search methods. Google Dorking employs custom queries with advanced search operators to fetch targeted search results. Simply type the custom Google Dork query into the Google search bar. When Google crawls the web, it indexes many parts of websites, some of which may not be readily available to regular internet users. Google Dorking allows you to access some of this information using more precise search queries. As an ethical hacker and penetration tester, Google Dorking can aid in advanced passive reconnaissance, gathering more information about a target and fostering a deeper understanding of the target organization. Let's explore some advanced Google search operators. But first, a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Gathering information about someone without their explicit permission is strictly prohibited. When you search for something on Google, like laptops, you see details and URLs from various sites. Hackers approach this differently. Recognizing Amazon as a global marketplace, we can use the site operator to search for the word laptops specifically on Amazon. Our query would look like this: laptops site amazon.com. This will display URLs related to laptops exclusively from the Amazon website. Another useful operator is filetype. This enables you to search for specific file types. For instance, to find English notes in PDF format, use this query: English notes file type PDF. This will search for English notes but limit results to PDFs. Numerous file types can be searched, including TXT, PNG, HTML, PHP, and more. Similarly, the inurl operator helps locate specific text within URLs. This can be valuable for discovering particular files or parameters. For example, you might use these operators to find password files or URL parameters vulnerable to SQL injection or local file inclusion attacks. The intitle operator is another helpful tool for finding links with specific information in the title. This is useful for identifying files like Etziama passwd exposed on the internet. To search for multiple words, employ the OR and operators. I assume you're familiar with these. Additionally, you can search for subdomains of a specific site by using an asterisk in place of the subdomain. The link operator searches for web pages that link to a specific URL. For example, if you're looking for web pages that link to the example.com domain, you would use the search term link, example.com. Google Dorking is invaluable for gathering information about a topic or a targeted website. Let's discuss the Google Hacking Database, a vast resource for learning about Google Dorks. By searching for camera, for example, you can find dorks to locate publicly accessible cameras. The possibilities are extensive. Google Dorking is a broad subject, challenging to cover in a short video. I've included resources and links in the video description for further learning and practice. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more security and hacking content. Until next time, happy hacking!